To set up Best Egg Debt Consolidation. Start by understanding what debt consolidation is and how it works. Debt consolidation is the process of combining multiple debts into one loan with a single interest rate and monthly payment. Best Egg is a popular online lender that offers personal loans for debt consolidation. First, check your credit score to see if you are eligible for a Best Egg loan. Best Egg typically requires a minimum credit score of 640. You can check your credit score for free on various websites such as Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. Next, gather all your financial documents, including your income verification, identification, and a list of your debts. You will need to know the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each debt. This information will help you determine how much you need to borrow and how much you can afford to pay each month. Now, go to the Best Egg website and fill out the online application. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your name, address, income, and employment status. You will also need to specify the amount you want to borrow and the purpose of the loan. Once you have submitted your application, Best Egg will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer. The loan offer will include the interest rate, loan term, and monthly payment. Make sure to review the terms carefully and understand the total cost of the loan. If you accept the loan offer, Best Egg will deposit the funds into your bank account. You can then use the funds to pay off your debts. Make sure to pay off your debts in full and close the accounts to avoid accumulating more debt. To make the most of your Best Egg debt consolidation loan, make timely payments and consider setting up automatic payments. You can also take advantage of the extra cash flow to build an emergency fund and work on improving your credit score. In conclusion, setting up a Best Egg debt consolidation loan is a straightforward process that can help you simplify your finances and save money on interest by following these steps and practicing good financial habits. You can achieve financial stability and improve your overall financial health.